Another maintenance tip on a water heater, again, from average lifespans to checking all your stuff, using shutoffs, is keeping it flushed once a year. Even though you have a softener, you should still flush it once a year. Basically what you do, a lot of people are misconcepted about draining it and flushing it, and then actually flushing it. I prefer, in my opinion, is flushing the heater, leaving it on. That way, these have 2 dip tubes inside the heater. This is forcing it out and stirring it up at the bottom and then shooting it out the bottom down here out of this drain. That keeps the water heater clean, doesn't allow any of the setup, and this will help prevent some of the buildup at the bottom too, because as you have more stuff laying at the bottom of the heater, it's just going to keep collecting and collecting and causing this to interact with each other. And this is, you can imagine what it looks like right here, just imagine what it looks like inside the tank. So with that being said, again, keeping it maintained, keeping it flushed, you can join our membership, which you can see we've been out here. We actually clean your furnace once a year, we clean your AC unit once a year, we flush your water heater once a year, plus we do a whole house plumbing inspection because the plumbing system all works in one, and we do an electrical inspection as well. So you get all that for $199 a year, plus you get 10% off repairs, 5% off installations, and it protects your whole house, all your investments through your home.